What's up guys, it's Itanko Gaming and today I am in Car Dealership Tycoon with my friend Ayan, Gamer Ayan Kaur.
Hey guys, it's Gamer Anchor.
And also make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment as well if you like it or not. So let's start.
Yeah. Yes.
By the way, I have a Ferrari and I have less money and you have a Bentley and you have more money.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
So do you want to start with races or do you want to buy a new car?
Let me see how much money I have. Okay, I need 30, 40, 50. I need 30,000 more.
Okay, so which race should we do? Off-road?
Yeah, actually, that.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll meet you there.
Okay.
Woo!
That's so fast. OMG.
Oh yeah!
Oh, no.
Brakes. Yes, nice brakes.
Now I'll
Yep.
do a drift.
I'm here.
Boom.
You can drift in this game.
I did.
That was
Boom.
like a break, stupid drift.
Yeah.
5 laps.
Not 5 yet.
3.
Yeah.
3.
3. It should be 3.
There is a Nissan Skyline GTR who
Where?
thinks he's doing a race, but he's not really.
Yeah.
Whew. So
No.
now we just need to wait for this race to start and then we'll see who's better in this race.
Of course, you.
Probably.
Yeah, because you have a faster car. And I have
Sometimes faster car does not mean winning the race.
But
You also need skills,
yeah,
which I have a lot.
which I do not. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Oh no.
Yep, I'm winning. In first as always.
Okay.
What the
let's
heck?
see.
I missed a checkpoint. That's not fair. See, that's the problem with the internet over here.
Yep.
Sometimes if you're lucky,
What?
You're good?
What? What?
you also missed a checkpoint.
What?
See, that's the problem with the internet.
Yeah.
We have a lot of internet problems.
Yeah.
By the way, my car is not good at that bumpy part.
Yep.
So this...
I lost the race.
What? That's so bad. You needed this race and you only lost it. Actually, I also need this race if you think about it.
But you have a faster car.
Yeah, I have a faster car, but I don't have as much money. So I cannot buy a better car. But I
That's
have
true.
more Tycoon than you.
Yeah, you have 100 times more Tycoon than me. I have less Tycoons.
It's not
Yep.
Tycoon, it's Tycoon.
Okay, whatever.
Ha!
Okay.
I hate this glitch. You will hear me screaming a lot now.
Yeah, please do not scream. That will be bad. Boom.
If somehow I get maybe 20 likes on this video or if I get 10 subscribers, I'll show my most annoying voices.
Yeah, me too. Actually, if I get 10 subscribers and 10 likes in this video, then I'll also show my annoying noise.
Finally, I won 18k.
Wow.
And now I have 115k.
That's good.
Woo!
This Nissan guy's nothing
Boom.
doing. He's doing nothing. Skyline.
He is choosing 1 lap.
What?
That means he knows he's going to lose. But if he has a better internet connection,
Then-
we are goodbye.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Whee! 5, 4, 3,
3,
2, 1,
go!
go!
Boom.
Imagine if I just did not come in the race.
That would be so bad. I mean, good.
For
For me.
you.
Yeah, for me. Not
For me, it
you.
would be terrible.
It's terrible.
As always, in first.
No problem. You will be in last.
How?
How
Please,
am I-
internet,
how-
don't fail me now.
Yeah, me too, internet.
Whee!
Boom.
Oh. You know, my car is terrible at the rock part.
Yeah.
And it goes very fast, which is actually kind of bad in this race.
Yeah, because this is off-road. Like, not it is circuit race.
After this, let's go to circuit
I
race.
got reward of doing race driver in off-road.
Oh.
Because I did not do anything. I just put in the codes.
What the heck, internet? You have failed me.
What the heck?
You failed him as well. Very good, internet.
Okay, this Nissan will win.
How
sure.
do you say? I'm winning.
Yeah, I will lose. That's what.
By the way, first place with 3 people gets a lot of money.
Yeah.
So that's very good.
Yep.
And then I think we should do a circuit race.
Yeah, when I'll finish this race.
Okay. You cannot finish this race. I just completed it. I'll be waiting at circuit race for you.
Okay. Okay. So
I am going at circuit race.
why you are going the long way?
I don't know.
Wow.
And I don't care. It makes me a lot of money, okay? Crash! Wow, that was the worst crash of the century. By the way, there is a Bugatti Divo here and there is a Porsche.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, I'm coming. Wait. Should I buy the Nissan GTR?
I don't think so.
Okay. So yeah. Just donate me like this. I want which car, you know?
Which?
Tesla Roadster. I'm saving for this car.
I don't have enough to donate you that much. You know the Tesla Roadster is actually not good at circuit race.
Okay, so is this car good?
Yeah, this car is actually really good at this.
Okay, I will buy this one.
Yeah, but I feel like I should be saving my money because I have only 160.
But still.
Yeah, but still what?
No.
That's the reason why we should do a 5 lap race. Come quick!
Okay, should I buy this car?
I don't think so. And if you don't come here in the next 15 seconds, you'll regret it. This car is not that good. The Audi R8 is really drifty.
Get out. Let me decide.
Move!
Okay, should I buy the Lamborghini? Do you had the Lamborghini before, so do you think it's good?
Yes, it's good, but this is the thing.
What?
The Ferrari, which is 650,000, is better than that Lamborghini.
Oh.
But it only costs $200,000 more.
Yep.
So what now?
I'm bored now, so I think I should buy this. Oh no.
I don't know.
You decide if should I save up.
Save up.
For what? The 650?
Save up for this one.
What the hell?
The 1.5 million one. No,
Seriously?
just kidding.
Seriously?
I
Not this
feel
one.
like you should save up. Wait. Save up for this one.
Nissan GT is not good?
Nissan GT is good. I actually don't know. I drove it a long while ago.
In this both? This both?
Wait.
This both?
Speed is 192. This one is 198. And this handling is 9. I have driven this and it's very good.
Okay, I'll buy that.
You can try the Nissan GT if you want to, but I'm saying I have tried it a very long time ago. I can tell you that this one is really good.
Which?
If you want to save 50,000, this is actually good.
In every race? Except off-road?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'll buy that.
You'll buy this?
I think I should save up for this Ferrari only, and let's go in the video.
Okay. That.
Ayan, just come kick.
Oh no! I came.
I came. But this guy chosen one lap.
I am so good at this race.
Me too. But my car is so bad.
You know, before when I had better cars, I used to get like 27 seconds on one lap.
Yeah. I can buy Ayan. The
What?
300,000 I can buy the Porsche. That's good.
Yeah, that's good, and you'll save a lot of money so you can donate to me.
No, I'll not donate to you. Just kidding, I will. So yeah.
I got 33 seconds on one lap. What the? Oh
What?
man, this is a one lap race. I
And how
hate
did
that Nissan Skyline guy.
And how did I came in third place? What the?
You are in second.
How? Oh yeah.
Let's do 3 laps.
No, okay, three.
Now that Nissan guy is outvoted, you can't do anything, Nissan. By the way, if I have to tell you, my favorite car is the Mazda RX-7.
And let me just buy the Porsche.
Oh, really? Okay, so I only need 100,000 more. I need $100,000 more to get that Porsche. Now let's see who's better.
Yeah.
By the way, should I also buy the Porsche or
Yeah, buy it.
I'm in first?
No.
Yep, I am.
How much was your car, by the way?
265,000, I think. Yeah, 265.
And you are winning for me.
By the way, one time, not on this device but another device, I had almost every single limited car,
What the?
and I had a Bugatti Divo as
Yeah,
well.
me too. I had the Chiron on the other account.
Yeah, but that
Yeah,
does
that-
not work at all now.
Yeah, we deleted Roblox from there, I think so.
Yeah, I think we deleted and re-downloaded it.
Yeah.
Then all our cars were lost. I had the Huracan STO
I-
from the
yeah,
Egg
me
Easter
too.
hunt.
Me too. And I had the Bugatti Chiron that cost 5 million.
I don't know why I deleted it, but
Me
I
too.
think it was because I was very bored.
No.
Because I had.
No, you're not bored because like the Roblox was crashing.
No, that's not the reason.
Yeah, that is. Remember?
Oh, yeah, and I had every single car which was not for Robux under 1 million.
Yeah, me too.
No, you had. I think you had 1 or 2 missing.
Yeah, only one. I think 2 missing cars. So yeah, I think
Done!
I think after this race, we should not race anymore and just like go and roam around.
Maybe. By the way, should I buy the Porsche or should I save up for the Lamborghini?
Buy the Porsche. That's good.
Okay. But then I kind of want to save up for the Lamborghini.
Which Huracan?
Yeah.
But
By the way, before buying the Divo, I was actually about to buy the Lamborghini Sian
oh yeah,
because it looked cool for me.
yeah,
And I actually also had the Aston Martin
yeah,
Vulcan.
yeah, Vulcan. That's your favorite car, I think.
Nope, it's the Mazda RX-7 right
Yeah,
now. Mazda RX-7, Nissan Skyline R34 GTR.
Ah, what did you do?
I beat you.
Okay. Look at my car. Just look at my car. Boom.
Wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. We can also do something where I can also buy a Porsche and then we can do a police chase.
Oh.
So if you
Jesus.
donate me 50k.
Then you'll have to donate me back, huh? By the way, afterwards when you
Okay.
get. Sure.
Yeah.
You will.
Yeah.
Donate this money. What's your name? Yeah.
My name is Amnu.
51.
One more. Yeah. Okay. Just 1 second.
Yeah. It's it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, wait. I have 360,000.
Yeah, because I donated
How much did you donate?
50,000.
How do I have 360,000 then?
What? What? What the?
I don't know how I have 360,000.
Okay, donate me back all of that money.
I'm just going to buy this card instead.
Ayan, I'll kill you. Don't.
I won't. Why would I?
Just purchase that and give me back all of that money.
By the way, I'll give you back your 50,000 also.
Yeah.
Zaid Kaur.
Yep. This is a tour of the car, guys. It really
50,000.
Okay.
Imagine I accidentally donated someone else that much money.
I'll kill you. There is a Mercedes.
Now I'll change this color to red. Wait, why is the car
No,
not
you,
showing?
Ayan,
What?
you catch me.
Yeah, forget that, but my car is not showing here. Paint. Okay, guys,
Red.
that's now it shows. You know what? I'll just keep it red.
Okay.
I love it red.
Yeah, I love it blue.
By the way, this actually looks like my toy car which I had.
Yeah,
once.
me too. When I was small. This actually, I had the white color.
Oh,
Which color car?
I
you
had a red one which looks exactly like this.
Yeah, my too. When I bought this car, it looks the same. Okay. Who is going to chase?
You.
No, you.
I'm not going to spend more money changing the colors.
No, don't change the color. You already catch me. Don't change.
Okay. Theo, got you.
No, come. Now come. Come.
I got you already.
No, when I said start. Bye. Now I'm going to go in the city. City.
God damn it, the controls are so small.
You will never catch me. Oh shit, damn it.
How can you say that? Oh no, I was so close to catching you.
Just not bump.
Where are you? Oh,
No. Run. Guys, just run.
I see you there. I see you there.
Oh shit, the car went. Ayan, pause.
I caught you.
No, Ayan, pause.
No, you cannot pause.
No, Ayan, that the Tesla Roadster just went.
So
I said
what?
Pause.
I caught
I said
you.
pause. I said pause.
Okay, now you have to catch me.
Wait. No, I said pause.
Yeah, you have to catch
No,
me.
I said pause.
You have to catch me.
No,
you have to catch me.
No, that's not fair.
You know what? Forget the police chase. Let's just do a street race and let's see who's better in the city race.
Oh, damn it. Or we should actually end the video actually. It's a long time. Okay, meet me. Okay, stay there. Wait. Come back.
Where?
Come back.
Okay.
And follow me. And come here. And go in full speed. Not from there. Don't crash me. Okay, turn. Now, just watch me. In full speed. Do not go straight. Just go.
So I should follow you.
Yeah, like this. Okay, I think it will not work.
Ayan, wait, I have a better idea. I'll come there in complete full speed.
Yeah, me too actually. Then only it will
I'll
work.
go all the way here. And now let's turn around. And then... What the heck? You crashed into me.
This is the...
That's 3 By the way, that cloud kind of looks like a ghost.
Yeah, actually it looks really good.
Whee! I couldn't do it. By the way, I can do one thing. Oi. You know what? Forget it. I'm going to do something else. Which is, I'll climb onto this mountain. I will stay here and I'll spawn my Porsche. Not here.
I came up.
Exactly in the middle.
Oh,
No!
I see you.
No. Yes.
I see you, baby. I'm coming.
Why
down
the heck
pin.
did you just call me a baby?
Because I love that name. Boom! How much time it will take? Man!
You need to come here and spawn it.
Come on!
Just look at my Porsche. It looks so good. Look at that. And I have 42,000. Should I just spend it on a useless car?
Don't. Okay.
I'll spend it on my Tycoon.
Yeah, actually me too. First let's end the video, then in the next video we'll...
I think we should just do it in this video, and the next video we should grind and complete our Tycoon fully.
Yeah, 1 second.
I'll just go to my Tycoon and you meet me there.
Where is your Tycoon?
No, you go to your Tycoon. I'll go to my Tycoon.
Okay.
That's what. By the way, when we started this game, we did not know how to navigate anything.
Yup. Now we know.
Now we are experts.
Yeah.
Kind of.
By the way, my Tycoon is here only.
Oh,
Near the tunnel.
you're lucky.
Yep.
My Tycoon is somewhere that I
Here.
don't know. Okay, there's the marker. Thank God it has a marker, or else I would never be able to find my Tycoon.
Yeah.
Oh, it's literally right next to this street race.
What?
That's lucky. Kind of. I only have 50,000. I cannot do much.
I have almost 200.
Bro, you're so lucky.
Yeah. Why is my camera angle locked? Yeah, now it's...
Bro.
What? Wow, bro. Wow, bro.
Huh.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Wow.
I just wasted all my money on the wall. That is so bad.
Garage door.
That is terrible.
Yeah. I'm just going like crazy.
You won't be able to buy much.
Just going crazy. Like crazy.
By the way, I saw a YouTuber and I feel like you need to spend like almost 1 million on the Tycoon.
Wow. Now I have $500 only.
You could not even buy the top floor.
Yep.
Oh my God, that's how expensive these Tycoons are. And I'm building Tycoon 2.
You have completed the Tycoon 1?
No,
No.
not at all.
Oh.
By the way, if you want to change your Tycoons, you can just go here.
Yeah.
Just click, no, not there. In the settings. And
Yeah.
then you can just press change.
Yeah.
I only have
yeah.
3% of that.
Wow, that's so bad.
I have 72% of dealership too.
Okay. Actually, we should end the video. Ayan, let's meet at the... just come at the Bugatti where we started.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
And then there we'll end the video actually. Guys, if there is some background noises which you heard, we are so sorry for that.
Yeah.
We'll try to fix it.
Yeah, actually, we don't have a lot of room here. I actually saw one Porsche color and I actually kind of want to try it.
Okay, try.
So it's basically I'm copying that guy.
Okay, come.
It was this and the wheels were this. Oh, that actually looks really good.
Oh yeah, I also, but I like this color more. Okay. Just park it over here. Okay, guys. So this is the ending of the video. Basically.
Okay,
yeah.
guys. So now we're about to end the video.
Yeah.
So please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in another video.
Guys.
So for now, goodbye.